Hello my beautiful people, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, welcome. If you're returning, welcome. So today I would like to talk to you about one of the soil amendments that I use for my plants. It is a must that I have this on hand all the time, and that is neem seed meal. And I love this company. I get it from Down to Earth. I do get a lot of stuff from them for my garden. Neem seed meal is a really good soil conditioner that if you are trying to grow your plants, your vegetables, and do everything organically, and you're trying to control pests in your garden, and you also want to increase the amount of nitrogen that you have in your soil to help your plants to grow healthy, lush, neem seed meal is what you want. So I am going to turn the camera around and I am going to show you the difference in two different types of neem seed meal that I purchased, one from Down to Earth and another one from another company, so you can see the difference, the quality in it. And I really do love this one because the oil, when you open the box, you can smell the neem oil in it. And some of us use neem oil. We do make a mixture, like I do make a spray that I use on my plants that also have neem oil in it. I just don't use it for my plants. I use it for like pest control, like ants. So if you have like a lot of ants around your area, that's another thing that I also do. I sprinkle the neem seed meal all in the grass all around my house because my house sits on an ant's hill. So I'm going to turn the camera around and I'm going to show you the difference, and you can do a little bit of research for yourself. But I would suggest, if you're gardening and you really want to help control pests in your garden, neem seed meal is one of the things that you want to add. Seed meal in stock, I usually get it from anywhere else I can find it, but let me show you the difference. Okay, you can actually smell the neem when you open the box in here. Let's compare it to this. So you see there, so you see the quality of it. Yeah, so this is my favorite one to use. This is what I use all the time, and I try to make sure I have it in stock, about 10 pounds, 10 to 15 pounds every growing season, because I have a large garden. But if they don't have it in stock, then I usually get this one. So let me show you what I do. Let me show you how I use this neem seed meal. So you can follow the directions on the back of the box. I usually use a handful depending on the area I'm working with. I put it on the soil. I mix it in properly with the soil before I transfer any plants. So make sure you take all the weed that is in the ground, because it is also helping to deplete minerals from your soil. So after I mix it in, I have some cabbage plants that have been laying around that I needed to put them somewhere. So I am just going to place them in this area. And this neem meal is not only going to help with the pest control, but it's also helping to produce more nitrogen into the soil, which certain vegetables need, like cabbages, potatoes, leafy green vegetables. They need that added nitrogen in order for them to grow properly. So I apply nitrogen to my soil throughout the growing season. I apply it during the spring because the bugs are waking up, and I also apply it during the fall. So you want to make sure when you apply it to your soil, you mix it in properly before planting, before you transfer plants, or while the plant is there, you mix it in with the soil. Nitrogen is the building block for healthy plants to grow properly. This here is a great soil conditioner. Like I said before, it increases the nutrient content in the soil because it is increasing the overall soil health, so that your vegetables can grow healthy and larger. So I also apply this other areas of my garden where I see the need be. For example, if I see like the yellowing of certain plants, I apply it there. And I also apply where it's ants, where I know ants are coming, or it's bugs and stuff in that area. So like we do have ants. Let me put the camera down so you can see. We do have ants coming from here in the grass. So what I do, I sprinkle it at the edge of the grass to help with bugs, to help with ants, those type of things. And I am also going to show you a spray that I make using neem oil to also help. So I sprinkled this all over in my yard to help with pest control, and I also use the grass clippings for compost tea and for compost. So stay with me, keep watching, because I'm going to show you step by step the different things that I have used to help my garden. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel so I will be able to provide more videos, educational videos for you.